Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because coffee was not coming out as fast as the first cup and it was leaking water from the tray, and that was just a Mechano that was just clogged. As you can see, there's some kind of coffee buildup around here, and that was just leaking straight to the tray and it wasn't making it to the spouts. So we actually had to replace this one, and now we're gonna test it out. Starting with one shot of espresso. That's good enough coffee, which is great. Then I'm gonna use a steamer and then the hot water. Infusion, and here it comes. Good color, excellent water flow. Put a little more beans in there and we'll do it again. And as you can see, no clogs, good water flow, excellent color coming out of the machine. Nothing coming on the tray. Grounds not wet, which is perfect. And now we're gonna test the hot water and then the steam. Starting with the hot water. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine. No leak from the side or anything like that. A steady stream. Now we can taste the steamer. Wait a few seconds for the machine to build up some pressure. Once it gets ready, I'll activate the steam. Sounds about right. Perfect, getting there. You won't be able to see it because it's kind of hot today. I mean, inside. But you can, there you go, getting good pressure, excellent temperature, almost burning my hand. Perfect. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica, not leaking to the tray and making coffee. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.